Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to manage your charts in MetaTrader 4. So, imagine you're trading multiple symbols, for example. How do you have multiple charts? So, very, very simple. As you can see at the bottom here, we have a Euro-US dollar 1 hour chart. We also have a US dollar Swiss franc 4 hour chart. And if you click them, you can have all your different charts at the bottom, okay? So there's a few ways of how to do this. So number one, we can always just minimize the current chart. And we can see a smaller version of every chart that we have open, okay? So this is good if you have multiple screens because you can drag and drop and you can have one screen, you know, one chart, another screen, another chart, etc. But if it's just a single screen setup, then obviously this might be a bit difficult to navigate because there's so many different charts. Then I'd recommend you have the charts listed in tabs. So we're just going to maximize one of these charts, for example, and then we can just flick around to whichever chart you want. So say you want to add a chart to this, or even get rid of a chart. So say we want to get rid of US dollar Swiss franc, we can just right click at the bottom here and click close, and now it's gone. Okay, if I want to add a chart, we could also go file new chart. So that's one way of doing it. Select which chart from the list you want of instruments in your market watch. You can also do it through the market watch. So if we open up the market watch again, we can at any point say we want the, let's say we want a gold chart for gold. We can just click chart window and gold has appeared now on here. Say we want a New Zealand dollar JPY chart window, New Zealand dollars popped up. The other way you can do it is obviously file new chart and then find whichever thing we want, a crypto, Bitcoin, for example. Click it, Bitcoin appears, okay? And obviously from there, you can customize it like we've shown, different videos, different timescales, whatever it might be. You can customize it to how you want it to look, essentially. And at any point, you can just flick through whichever chart you want. So say you're trading Euro-US dollar, and you're also trading the pound-US dollar, you can just flick to the pound and, you know, have a look at that, for example. Which make that candlesticks, etc. So that is really managing your charts. Okay, it depends on your setup. Of course, if you have multiple screens, you will probably prefer to have, you know, a chart for each screen, essentially. If you're single screen setup, it will probably be easier just to have it at the bottom here where you can flick through and see whichever chart you want. But that's basically how you manage and navigate your charts on MetaTrader 4. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.